Next up, we have Kirk King and Deborah Peirce with Continuity Programs.
Thank you, Rob. Yes, I'm Kirk King, AKA Captain Kirk of Continuity. This is Deborah Peirce. She's my executive in charge of the mortgage industry. Deborah's responsible to make sure that MyCRMDashboard is the right fit for a lender, and if so, she kicks off the initiation of implementing MyCRMDashboard. This system is unlike any other CRM because it runs completely automatically. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. It works unbelievably well. So we've been dealing with mortgage lenders for over 3 decades, so we're very familiar with the mortgage loan officer. The way the system works is we actually pull all the data right out of the LOS, and then based on the attributes on each contact, we match that contact to the right campaign. For example, if somebody comes in with a subpar credit score, it'll automatically put them into the credit coaching campaign. Likewise, if it's somebody comes in as a pre-qual, it'll continue to communicate with a pre-qual until they actually apply for a mortgage, get a PA, go through the milestones, and then likewise, once they close and the loan's funded, it'll automatically move that customer throughout the journey automatically, does not require the loan officer to go in and do any of this stuff to make it work. So if there's anything that you remember from this demo today, is that MyCRMDashboard is completely turnkey. This is why loan officers love it. This is exactly why we're winning all kinds of awards. This system wasn't even invented and launched until 3 years ago, and we've already hit all kinds of awards in the mortgage industry. This CRM is here to stay, and it's unlike any other system. Again, the loan officers will want to use it, which is unbelievable compared to the other products in the market. So let's do like the lifting up the hood, and let's take a look on the inside and see what it looks like. The first thing you'll notice is it's super simple user interface. There's a nice simple navigation bar right across the top. You'll also notice that if they don't want to use the navigation bar, they can use the buttons right on the main display, kind of like buttons on your smartphone. And literally everything runs automatically. Every single one of our users has the ability to put in feature requests. And we listen to those feature requests. We meet every week internally, and that's how we map out the future development of MyCRM so that we can make it stronger and make better for our lenders. Now, it's not an accident that we called it MyCRMDashboard. It's because the dashboard is where everything comes together. So let's take a look at a dashboard of a real customer so you see what it looks like. This loan officer closed 24 mortgages that got funded. The system automatically moved them from the mortgage milestones into the post-closing system. It sent out 24 satisfaction surveys. 11 of them have already been returned. And one of those surveys that came back actually had a referral on it. This system automatically, without any loan officer or user intervention at all, sent out 4,000 emails. Around 1,200 of them were opened, 250 were clicked. And then you'll notice that this loan officer, just one loan officer, 98 of his customers and past contacts currently have their house on the market. And what's even more important to any lender out there is that I know that the system should generate leads. Does it really generate leads, and are they converted? If you look down at the bottom left corner, you will notice that there's a little dial that says converted leads. So not only are we reporting all the leads that we actually generated, the system generated automatically, but how many of them are converted? Every loan officer gets to see their own net promoter score, their own satisfaction score, how they compare to the company, and they get to see exactly which questions are asked and which way the customer answered. So this system pulls it all together. Now let's go to those middle 4 buttons under MyCRMDashboard. This is where all of the customer responses come in. So keep in mind, everything's coming in automatic, all the communication's going out automatic. When any of those referral partners, customers, prospects, whoever they are, when they raise their hand, those leads automatically come into the CRM, and the loan officer is notified. Sorry, I got going too fast. The loan officer is notified when they have a lead, and they jump right in there. For all of you people in the room who are in charge of marketing, you're going to love this. We've got a full-blown marketing hub built right under the store. You can give us all your corporately approved media. We'll put it in there so you don't have to create designs by loan officer anymore. They can actually click on a design, their data comes right in, they can download it and go from there. The next thing you'll notice in the bottom two right-hand corners is we actually have a converted referral partner button. This was our first feature request. They wanted to know which which agents were giving the referrals that converted. And then unlike any other system, you don't have to pay another $50, $60 a loan officer for an online reputation system. This is all included in MyCRMDashboard for no extra charge. It automatically generates the reviews, posts them publicly, so everything runs flawlessly. Again, let's take a look at this from a loan officer viewpoint, because from a loan officer, we want them to understand how simple it is to use, and when there's something for them to interact, they interact appropriately. So keep in mind, you're a loan officer, you're sitting at your desk, you get an email. Email hops into your phone, you click on the link, it goes right into MyCRMDashboard and says, call these two prospects or these customers right now, they're interested in this. And as an executive, you get reporting showing you how many leads generated, how many converted, so you know how to close the gap. And please visit Deborah at our booth 701 to win a Fitbit watch and learn more. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.